Hey there, viewers, and welcome back to Grumpy Monkey Garage, where we're going to Power Tour 2023. All right, so we're here at the end of Power Tour. We saw a lot of cool stuff, a lot of cool drag racing, and I liked the circle track, the little, like, whatever you call it, road test or whatever.
The drift course?
The drift course, yes. That was really cool. I really enjoyed watching that. C10 for the win, the red one. Very, very nice. What's the coolest thing you saw here, other than the massive collection of stickers you've acquired?
Oh, yes, I've collected all the stickers.
I think that's pretty awesome. So if you're interested in sending us some stickers, please send them to us at Grumpy Monkey Garage. We'd definitely appreciate that. We are sticker hoarders. So other than that, what'd you see?
I saw a lot of Chevys. Love seeing them. I can't even really pick out one because there were so many cool cars there. Just seeing all the builds and stuff and hearing them roar was really cool.
We know you're an S10 fan for life. What'd you see that you really liked other than all the Bel Airs?
Well, I got to see Dave Freiberger from Roadkill, so that was pretty cool.
We did get to see the Roadkill crew here.
And to see your idols off screen is just awesome.
That's fantastic. It was a really good time here. I've never been to Power Tour before, so this is my first year coming, and I definitely think I'm going to be back. It was really exciting. I liked it. Lots of cool people, lots of cool things too. Lots of different companies making new sheet metal, so I'm really happy about that.
Oh yeah, picked up some catalogs for some S10 body panels, so that's pretty cool.
And wiring harnesses for engine swaps. So there's lots of good stuff that we learned today. So, well, that's all we got time for here on Grumpy Monkey. Hope you enjoyed this, and be sure to continue to watch Power Tour updates.